Namaskar. High blood pressure, or it is known even as hypertension, is very common problem nowadays people are facing. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 1.13 billion people across the world are affected by high BP. What's even more alarming, an estimated 46% of adults with hypertension don't even know that they have this problem until damage is done. Unchecked high BP silently damages your artery, even heart, or even kidney. Hypertension is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke, the two leading causes of death globally. But can we manage this problem naturally? Let me tell you some simple yet effective solution, and that is delicious hibiscus tea. Even studies have shown that drinking hibiscus tea on a regular basis helps in reducing systolic blood pressure by up to 7 points in just 6 weeks. So let me show you how to make this heart healthy hibiscus tea. For this hibiscus tea, you will need 2 tablespoons dried hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and in antioxidants, which help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure naturally. 1-inch cinnamon stick. Cinnamon relaxes and dilates blood vessels. A few slices of ginger improves circulation and acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess sodium, which is one of the main causes of high blood pressure. 1 tablespoon jaggery powder, optional for sweetness. Now, how to make it, understand. Take 2 cups of water in a pan and boil it. Once it's boiling, switch off the flame and add dried hibiscus flower, the cinnamon stick and ginger slices. Let the mixture steep for about 20 minutes, depending on how strong you want to have a flavor. Once it's ready, strain this tea. If you like, you can add jaggery powder, but this is optional. You can also add some few fresh mint leaves and lemon juice for extra freshness and tangy taste. And there you have this hibiscus tea ready. Just 1 cup of this tea every morning can prevent heart problem. It's a small but powerful step for a better heart. Remember, no single food or drink can replace a healthy lifestyle. Here are some more few additional tips to maintain your blood pressure in a normal range. Reduce your salt intake. The Indian Council of Medical Research also recommends limiting salt consumption to a maximum of 5 grams per day. This limit helps reduce the risk of high blood pressure and hypertension. Move and exercise regularly. Even a brisk 30 minutes walk can help lower blood pressure. Practice yoga and meditation regularly because it really helps to manage hypertension very easily. We should do these things regularly and be free from stress and tension as far as possible. Try and follow all these things and maintain a good health. Namaskar.